Knitting is a necessity when working with surfaces. Unlike solids that are smart about what faces and edges belong to them, what volume is inside versus outside, surfaces live in their own individual worlds. Unless you tell a surface that another surface is nearby, it has no idea and will act as if other surfaces don't exist. If you think back to our discussion about multi-body parts in earlier lessons, you might remember that solids can be separate bodies, even if they're touching. In order to make multiple bodies behave as if they're one, you have to tell them to be a single body. Or several faces of a solid body. In such cases, if you wish to create a perfect copy of an existing face, Knit Surface is the simplest tool to use. Just click the Knit Surface icon. Select the faces you wish to replicate and click OK. If I hide the solid body, you can see the result clearly.